Hey everyone, welcome back to Bahawalpur TV. Today I'm going to share how you can grow giant vegetables at home. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own giant garden. Not all veggies grow big easily. You want to start with pumpkins, zucchinis, carrots, tomatoes, or even watermelons. The secret? Look for seeds labeled giant or heirloom. These varieties are specially bred for size. Starting with the right seeds gives you a huge advantage. Your soil is the foundation of giant veggies. Mix in plenty of compost or organic fertilizer to feed your plants. Make sure the soil drains well but stays moist. Also, check your soil pH. It should be between 6 and 7. The better the soil, the faster and bigger your veggies will grow. Plants need space to stretch out. Crowding them will stunt their growth. So, plant your seeds or seedlings farther apart than usual. This way, each plant gets all the nutrients, water, and sunlight it needs. No competition allowed. Here's a pro tip. Instead of watering every day, water deeply but less often. This helps roots grow deep and strong. Just watch out for soggy soil. Too much water can cause root rot and slow down growth. Use compost tea, fish emulsion, or well-rotted manure to give your plants an extra nutrient boost. Don't forget to mulch around the base. It keeps the soil moist and stops pesky weeds from stealing nutrients. These natural helpers work wonders for giant growth. No one likes pests. Plant companion flowers like marigolds or herbs like basil nearby. They keep harmful insects away naturally. No harsh chemicals needed. Healthy plants grow bigger, and bigger means more delicious veggies. Giant vegetables don't happen overnight. Check your plants regularly, prune damaged leaves, and keep an eye out for problems. The more care and patience you give, the more your garden will reward you. And now, here's the exciting part. Check out these massive pumpkins and zucchinis grown by local gardeners right here in Bahawalpur. Show photos or clips. Imagine growing these giants yourself with just these simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your giant veggie plans or questions. Thanks for watching Bahawalpur TV. Happy gardening, and see you next time.